This is um, Burlington, Northern, and Santa Fe, um, Galveston Causeway Railroad Vertical Lift Bridge crosses the Galveston State Bay in Galveston, Texas. Now, this bridge had replaced the shudder type rolling lift bridge that was relocated to California, like for us, Petaluma, California, and it was built in 1912. The modern welded through truss lift main channel span with concrete closed spiral arch approach spans. Built in 1912, original Basco replaced in 1987. 87 Basco span replaced in 2012 by a lift span. And so this is a modern lift bridge with concrete arch approach spans over the Galveston Bay on the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway and a former highway. So just only carries railroad that I'm sure you was lowered for train traffic, because it's usually lowered for trains. Now it's raised, ships and boats to come through. Now it's about to lower. Now this bridge is lowered. Look at the detail of this. Now this is a tower span vertical lift bridge. Remember, it has no machinery on the lift span but two separate towers. So that's the Galveston, the new Galveston Causeway Railroad Vertical Lift Bridge, used by the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railroad in Galveston, Texas.